Introducing the Prostar 36 volts cordless backpack vacuum, designed by Cleanstar for ultimate freedom and performance. Compact and weighing just 5 kilos with batteries, the Prostar is easy to carry and wear with its comfortable harness and strong Velcro waist strap. It comes with 4 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, only 2 required to run, giving you an extra set to easily swap out when required. Choose between Eco and Power modes, up to 70 minutes runtime in Eco, or 40 minutes with maximum suction. With the Wesselwork low-profile floor tool, you can clean under furniture and into tight spaces with ease. Powerful yet quiet, cordless convenience makes the Prostar ideal for commercial cleaning in offices and public spaces. Maintenance is simple, with a 4-stage filtration system, H13 HEPA filter, and easy-to-change 5-litre cloth or disposable dust bags. Comes with versatile accessories, making it easy to clean all surfaces and corners. And when paired with the Activate cordless vacuum head, Prostar delivers the ultimate cordless cleaning combo, cutting cleaning time in half.